one of the things I might want to do with that is obviously sidechain it. If you have to use both, if I'm mixing for a client and this is what they've given me, that's what I would do. But it also, there's so much tonality in the 808. I wouldn't put that bass with that kicks, but if we had to do it, you know, you'd sidechain it. Or another option that you might do is this. You might cut it up. And you might say to yourself, you know, hang on a second here. I don't really want that sound. Let's isolate it. It's like an offbeat sound, but the thing is, going back and working, reversing what we were saying before, is if I don't isolate it, and because they've both got the same tone, and I just cut them in half like that instead of sidechaining, have a listen to it between the two, and you've got to say to yourself, is there a difference with everything else in the track? And the thing is there isn't. It doesn't sound like there's any difference because they're merging in with each other. But what happens is, in isolation in a club, you're going to have that feeling of that pump, which is going to feel better and be more dynamic and be more punchy in the club.